Ashaki báwo ni jàre no vex jàre. Na so she dey do omo ode. How far? I wan go dye my head for Babi Salon. Oh yeah, because I wan comot go one way keeping. Oh yeah, he say one small child that commit suicide yesterday. Oh yeah, for Instagram. You understand? Now this morning we just say she don put am there pe I'm the best. Wetin make you the best? You understand? She come kill herself. So na the way keeping I wan go dye my head to black. You understand? Because me I no know why she go kill herself. The girl I no sure say she don enter a 20 years old. She say adolescent.
Brother Shaggy, please let's not go into the long story. So it's New Year already. What would your Valentine Day look like in February?
He will look like you. He will look like you. And they talk, you tell me make I shut up. Abi, make I shut up before you be like at the egg where they abandon. Now your nose will be like Sergeant Bat. Abi, and they talk to you, they say make I shut up. La palapa go catch you for mouth. She be na woman be that. To hear me. As to hear her, she say full loaded. Oh yeah, data bundle. She oh yeah, everything is there. 3G. You understand? She don't be like okay. Come on, I'm waiting. I said come on for here. That she be like Yaba take award. So where do we stop in the last class?
Uncle, have you seen an antelope before? Antelope.
Antenna.
I said antelope, it's an animal.
Okay, animal. I said no animal we never see before. Oh yeah, because we dey travel all over the world and above the continent. You understand? Antelope, I don't see it before now. One of those because in 1992, you understand? I work with Nigel White. Say you know Nigel White?
I don't watch Nigel White. I watch SpongeBob SquarePants.
SpongeBob SquarePants. You know SpongeBob SquarePants? Hey, I like SpongeBob SquarePants. SpongeBob SquarePants. I like him. I watch him for Nickelodeon.
What?
Nickelodeon. You know they watch Nickelodeon? Okay, whether na NTA they watch am, they always show am for evening.
You mean Nickelodeon?
Nickelodeon is the same thing.
Whatever. What kind of animal is an antelope?
Antelope. Antelope is an animal in the bush.
Okay.
So antelope is an animal inside the bush.
I heard that part. Is that all you know about antelope?
No, antelope is like you know ant. So antelope is not the younger brother, is the elder brother of ant. That's how they call it antelope. Then secondly, why they now call it antelope? It's God that give him that name, antelope. You understand? So it sounds like envelope. So what animal now do inside the bush? Okay, they now call antelope. But yeah, wow, they now send antelope a errand. You understand? Because that's what they use envelope for. So all the animals inside the bush they will call antelope. Okay, they will not send him errand.
What about crocodile?
Crocodile. Now about animal, may God don't allow us to see crocodile. If crocodile bite person, that person crocodile go first catch am. If they no quick carry am go hospital, go die. And that's what I'm saying, because that's why they now call it crocodile.
Jesus Christ of Nazareth.
We thank God.